everybody, Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting, and look who I found today. He didn't realize that the camera was set up, so he didn't even have a chance to go run and hide. And BB is over there with her ball, but she doesn't want to bring it to me and she doesn't want to come to me. So, you know, I have these wonderful puppies that don't come when they're called. You good boy, Charlie? Yes, he's a good boy. So I have an unboxing to share with you. I'm going to let Charlie escape now. I'll see if BB wants to come and play with us. It's another diamond painting. This was a little different. It came in this giant envelope from Amazon. I usually get a box from Amazon, but here it is. It's all nice and neatly packaged, and the envelope was a bubble envelope, so there's no creases, no damage. Amazon is pretty good about packaging. If it's not in a box, it's packaged up pretty well. So let's see. This is a 36 by 36, and it's a little Christmas scene. You see, it's like a little kid caroling. Here, let me show you the thumbnail. And it has the clear plastic covering. I like it. It's a full drill round, and I like the clear coverings because when I do a round with a clear cover, I'll do one color and just, you know, I can see where it goes and I can peel it back. When I do a square, I like the paper covering because I'll cut off one section and I'll do that section. If you do a square where you do all one color and you're kind of going all over the place, your drills don't seem to line up very well. If anyone who does squares knows that if you do a small section like this, everything is kind of crooked, not quite straight. And you can keep trying to straighten them. It doesn't really do much until you put the last drills in that section, and then it's like magic. Everything squares up. So, well, I don't do that when I do a round. I'll do all of one color and I'll go all over the place. So the clear covering makes that very easy. If you absolutely don't like the clear covering, it's not a problem. You can take this off and use parchment paper to put down on top of it, and then you can cut it like you would. This has a nice standard toolkit. It's a green boat, a pink pen, single drill pen, some bags, and a chunk of wax. Very standard. I don't have too many Christmas ones, so I like the size of this. It's got 22 colors. 36 by 36 is perfectly square. It's kind of a funny shape. Usually you see 30 by 30 or 40 by 40. This is 36 by 36. Okay. And it doesn't have, I hate that annoying little circle on the rounds. You know, on the square drills, they put the grid lines. And on a lot of the circles, they put a circle around, a circular grid line around the drill. And it bothers me because then I'm trying to get the drill perfectly placed on the circle. These are very pretty colors. And I will, whoa, baby doesn't like that noise. I will do an inventory. I see some really nice bright yellows and oranges. Here you can see the colors. Very Christmassy feel. There's some reds in here and very dark browns and grays. I think this is going to be a really fun one. I do not see the DMC. Now, they don't give you the DMC codes, which for people who do embroidery and cross stitch, you know the DMC numbers. It's the same that most of the companies use those same numbers. But I only need them when I store my drills at the end. So it's not really a problem. I did get a DMC chart. I ordered one from Etsy. So when I'm storing these drills, I can match them up. So I will put the picture up for you, and the link is in the description. I'm going to inventory the drills. This is a couple little waves in it from being folded. But, you know, those will come right out. That's not a problem. All I have to do is just let the weight of my other paintings sit on top of it for a couple weeks. And actually, I may try to do this one fairly soon because sure would make a nice Christmas present. Oh, the symbols. The symbols are very clear, and there's no weird symbols in here like hashtags or ampersands, or I take that back, there's an ampersand in there. There's letters and a couple symbols, $, percentage, number. No like half moons and weird looking bullseyes. Here you can see up close. Really very nice. The canvas is good quality. It's clean. The drills, again, it's a 36 by 36 full drill round. And, you know, it's not huge, but I'm sure you can get it in a bigger size. I'll put the link. You can look for yourself. This is a really sweet diamond painting. I like it. And of course there's instructions at the bottom. So, yeah, that's it. And you have a great day. Happy diamond painting. And I hope you tune in to my next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.